Eh? When you do one? Watch her whisper to me. Afternoon at it again on the delivery trail, and today we are in the community of
What else?
here
What
on a
house?
water house. It's water house. Say it again.
What else?
Don't you hear the twang? And I'm alone have it in its water house. And a water house. Anyway, when I see a whole heap of water in that place, I don't really understand the name. How the water house come by?
The sun dried up now.
The sun the sun dried up the water house. So we have a small delivery for you. As you know, you've been waiting eagerly. So let me get your package for you. No, but before we get the package, well, Phoebe and I start out the package.
Yeah.
I really are going to the place. Everything nice?
Yeah, man. If you see a place like that, them gonna town or supermarket.
Oh.
Wholesale and things.
So everybody got town for the same day?
People are
Because I come down the avenue and the place really dead.
Oh, no man, everything alright.
So you're not going to town today?
I'm not in my shop. I just have to come over with my baby. My
Oh.
daughter, she
Oh.
has asthma. So,
Asthma, okay,
yeah.
okay. I hope she's feeling better though.
Yeah, man.
Okay. The asthma thing there. Kind of rough when you're appearing in my camera.
That's
Right?
it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man.
Kids,
That's it, man.
kids being sick is rough.
Tired to sleep hospital.
Tired to sleep hospital. Hmm? Ha, ha, ha. You hear she? We not for bother carrying her ID. Because she a regular, don't? You hear what auntie say? Huh? Okay, yes. Yeah. Oh yeah, so when kids say, your baby this?
Yeah, that's my little
Okay. What's her name?
Carissa name.
Carrie who?
Carissa.
Carissa. Oh, cause I think you give her one name but she not can spell.
Oh my, Carissa.
Carissa. And here are your packages. And I'm sure half of them belong to Carissa.
No man, these are all
All yours.
big for like our brother.
Oh, okay.
Not enough for
Okay.
she as yet. For our
What are the
brother.
nice things you want to tell me about my company now?
One thing,
Here should start. One thing. Go on now.
fast and reliable.
Fast and reliable.
Yeah man, and if you have any problem when I go so,
Mm-hmm.
look up on WhatsApp,
Yeah.
get a response quick.
Instantly.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah man.
So she know the customer service boss. You know. You should call him name. Talk to him by
I'm
first
boss.
name.
I'm boss that man, trust me.
Loud.
Yeah. As I say, never problem, Mr. Kevin. This. Reply
Right.
back to me quick.
Okay. So there you have it.
Good.
Very good customer service. Fast and reliable.
Are the best shipping company.
The best shipping company. I know me say it, you know. She say it. Remember, I know me say it, and she say it. I like watch her. Look on her. Catch her, you know. Watch her about a lie where I tell. What you know about me? All right, have a good one. All right, pleasure, and I'll see you again.
Thank you.
On the delivery trail, we're going to see her again. Of course, it's a pleasure always delivering to her. This is how she do it. Have a good one.